YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. And today is a good day because today we talking about tech. Welcome back if you guys are from around here, if you already subscribed, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Will. I make content right here on YouTube about tech, vlogs, and a whole bunch of other stuff. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn all notifications on, so that way the next time I upload, you can come back and you can holler at me. But anyways, man, let's jump right into the video. You just bought this MacBook Pro and you realize you only got one connection, and this is a USB-C. And you're like, man, all of my stuff has the regular USB, USB-A. So that's why my first accessory here is gonna be dongles. I have 3 different types right here that I wanna share with you guys on what I think about them. For my first one, this one right here is from Best Buy, and all it has is a HDMI, it has a USB-A, and also power pass-through. For $44, I think it's worth it to buy something a little bit more robust and have more ports to it, because you don't really get a lot out of this. So for the second one, this one is a hyperdrive. I kind of like this one because it does give you micro SD card slot, and you also get your regular SD card slot. My only downfall with this is when you connect this to your MacBook, I feel like if you move too quick, you could possibly elbow this and knock it off and get this stuck inside there, and then you'll pay a whole bunch of money to get it repaired, and nobody wants to deal with that. But I do really like this one because it is space gray and it matches very well with the MacBook Pro 2020 edition space gray. And lastly, what I really like about this one is it offers a Gigabit Ethernet port. If you were gonna just buy one, I would go with this one because it has the Gigabit Ethernet connection right here. This one runs about $44. I think that this is probably like the perfect medium. So next, what we're gonna be talking about is cable tie wire management. For $6.99, have all your cables nice and organized. I mean, I know I used to be the type, I just throw all my cables in one drawer and it leaves a big old rat nest of cables. Then when you wanna go and grab a cable, you gotta untangle it around from all these other cables, and it just gets really messy. I literally have this on all of my cables that I have here because it keeps it nice and tidy. This is one of my greatest investments, to be honest with you. I really enjoy just rolling it up and having all of my cables nice and organized. Yeah, highly recommend it. My next accessory is gonna be a USB-C to Lightning cable. Let's say you don't wanna bring any dongles and all you really need is your computer and phone. You can just plug this one cable directly into your MacBook and you can charge your phone directly from it. So right here, what we have is the MacBook extension cable for charging. Apple back in the day, they used to already provide you with this extension, but they starting to cheap out on us. Now they sell it separate for an additional 20 bucks. This is an old one. I had this one with all of my previous MacBooks. Literally will give you an additional 6 feet of cable while you're charging your MacBook. When you plug the cable into the wall with the brick, it just feels like somebody could just run by, knock it out. It doesn't stay in well, just depending on your socket. It also gives you an additional ground wire. I mean, this is gonna be a little bit more safe to save you from being electrocuted. But yeah, next one, we are gonna be talking about hard drive. When you buy a brand new MacBook, you get what you get. They wanted me to pay an additional $200 just to get up to a terabyte. That's basically $200 for an additional 500 and some odd gigs of space. What I like to do is purchase little external hard drives. Now this one isn't like the fastest one in the world. How much did I pay for this? Like $100 for 4 additional terabytes of space. They do offer faster ones out there. I don't purchase any of those because I edit all of my videos and photos directly on my laptop, and then I use these for backups. Like I literally have like a whole bunch of these laying around. Very cheap, they never failed on me. I had this one for about three or 4 years. I really would recommend getting like 2 of these, one for a backup and then one for a backup. So my next accessory is gonna be this Wander Provoke backpack. Now this backpack is pretty expensive. I'm the type of person, I would rather have like one device for multiple reasons, and this backpack really does it for me because it's a camera bag that can also be transformed into a regular backpack if needed. It has so many different compartments and space, But as far as the laptop compartment in here, 2 different types of pockets, and then they have a tablet sleeve as well that is felt. What I really like is it has like Velcro right here to strap it in. I literally made like a whole review a few videos back about this backpack. I'll leave a link if you guys want to check that out, but for $230, I think that this was well worth it because it has multiple functions. Moving right along. All right, so I know a lot of people don't really talk about this, but I'm gonna say Wallpaper, man. Wallpaper is a accessory. What I like to do is use this app. It's called Dynamic Wallpaper Engine. The one that I've been using lately is this one of the world, and like the world literally just turns. I think it's pretty dope. Inside of this app, you have all of these different choices that they made for you already. And I just think it brings like, you know, a little bit more feng shui coolness to your laptop of like a moving wallpaper, in my opinion. All right, so I hate to do this one to you guys, but the AirPods, these are the first generation. This is the non-charging case, and they actually aren't too bad for price right now. You can get these on Amazon for $129. And again, this is not the wireless charger, so you will have to like plug it in, but they literally like last forever. With Apple, they make it very simple. When you open up the AirPods, it shows you right on screen the amount of power and juice left. You can use the actual AirPods for up to about 5 hours of use, but the charging case, I believe you can charge these up about 3 times before you have to like recharge the case. So you can essentially use this for like forever. When you connect it to the device, it remembers it. So if you just want to use this on your MacBook Pro, once you connect it the first time, anytime when you open it up and stick it in your ears, it's going to automatically remember only the last device that it connected to. So I really like that. These don't fit very, very well. If I shake hard enough, they will fall out of my ears. I'm always kind of nervous I'm gonna lose these. So check out the ones with the wired charging port because they're more affordable. All right, we're getting close to the end. Another accessory that I use quite often is going to be this charging bag right here. I've actually featured this in like another accessory video. They have slots for cables at the top, and then you can customize the compartments to your needs. And it just keeps everything organized. So, you know, boom, you need a charger, you go right to your case. They make these in all different types of shapes and sizes and compartments. Pretty big, but it fits like everything that I'm talking about inside of this bag. This is like my top accessories for my MacBook Pro. Let me know down in the comment section, is there any accessory that I left out that you would recommend? Let me know, what is your favorite accessory that maybe you own, or how about your favorite accessory from this video? But yeah guys, with all that being said, I hope that you guys found this video helpful, entertaining. I hope I was able to add some value to you guys in your new MacBook Pro, or maybe your old MacBook Pro if you know you're looking at this video for your accessories for your old MacBook Pro. But yeah, so with all that being said guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Deuces! Oh, before you go, I forgot one item. My last item is gonna be a lens cleaning kit. I know I'm not the only one who put fingerprints all over their MacBook Pro, so highly recommended is a cleaning kit. You know, get your wipe on.